Welcome to my cluttered desk at work as we attempt to cook this very out-of-date, it's self-eating meal. So what have we got? We've got oil, lots of oil. We've got this sort of like stuff which I think is also oily. We've got the meal itself. We've got a metal tray. And underneath we've got collapsible chopsticks. We've got dried tofu, and then we've got the heating pack underneath. So I'm just about to set this up. Basically, we take this out of the packet, we lay it in the bottom, fill it up with water just above that, cold water, lay in the metal tray, and then all the food theoretically heats. 1 moment, please. So this is the meal itself. So I'm going to put that into the tray. After snipping it. Well, it smells odd, but then it is Chinese food. It's noodles and stuff. It's quite a collection of stuff. You'll have to refocus that. Yes, and just thought I'd mention that. I know you're okay with that. We've got the dry tofu. I take it this just gets put in the top. For dry tofu, it's very moist, but it's not mouldy, which is good. I'll put that in there. I could have actually set that, Vince, to autofocus, so it did it all for you. But I usually go fixed focus. So what's this? That goes in. It's dark. It is dark. Oh, it's not coming out very well. I'll use these hygienic scissors. Right, I'll do it at the moment. And then there's the oil, which is just tons of oil apparently. Put this one in here. Oil, which is oil. Quite a lot of oil. And then you just drizzle it all over it. Give that a wee sugar to try and spread it about. Then we get the that fork might be ideal just to mush it up and break it up a bit. Does it look appetizing yet? So now I need this bit here, and we've got the heat pack which is full of differing metals and salt. So it goes in there, and then we cover it with water apparently. This is the bit that sometimes failed in the MREs, the meal ready to eat. So it should soak up into that and it should start reacting, but sometimes it takes a bit before it does it. You're not supposed to do this, by the way, but I'm doing it. And then this goes in here. Then this goes on like that. And then we wait until it's done. And you see here we're going to get food poisoning.
Yeah, no,
so this thing is steaming already, really quickly. It's like within seconds it started gushing steam out. If I hold my hat behind this, you'll be able to see the steam blowing out the top of that. That is quite impressive. Right, okay. 1 moment, please. So the meal is now cooked, and I'm just going to open it up here and try not to get scalded. It's gone very soft. Oh, that's hot, yes. Mm-hmm. And this, definitely, I'll just pour some of that water away. Right, so are we supposed to stir it? Where's the meat? I thought you said this was going to be beefy. Is that stuff there the beef? So, I'm not sure what the tofu is. Right, I'll try if it tastes weird. It tastes like very oily Chinese food. Like most. Oh, it's squid or something. Oh. Is it squid? It's the strips of, oh, it is. These strips are a fishy type substance. It's also, I've just discovered the brown sauce is extremely hot. Vince, the crew chief, who likes pranking people with hot things. Right. Would I eat it? Yeah. Am I going to eat it? Yeah. I'm going to have to avoid this brown stuff though, it's extremely hot.
What about lotus root?
Yes? Is
Tiny
this
lotus root.
crunchy, like water chestnut.
So is that a thumbs up from
That
Big
is a
Clive?
thumbs up. It is a thumbs up. It's perfectly edible, even though it's very much out of date. I might not be saying that later when I'm puking my guts up. But yeah, very edible. That just leaves us the other one to try. So there we go.
Just say one moment, please.
No, I can't say one more.
Yes, you can.
Because
Go on,
there
say
are
it.
no more.
Go on,
There
say
are no
it.
more
Go on, say
moments.
it.
There are
Go
no
on,
more
say it.
moments.
Say it.
No, I'm looking at the wrong camera as well.